These two buttons are accumulate and separate. I'm going to demonstrate them with an example. Let's say I have it in accumulate mode by clicking that, and I'm going to use the freestyle drawing pen. And do one squiggle, another squiggle, and now I'm going to press enter to set to neutral mode. So that was on accumulate, which means these are both accumulated as one squiggle, which means if I select one, it's one object. They move around together. If we did it on separate, and I use the same freestyle, and I'm going to press enter to escape out of drawing mode, they are now separate ones because we have separate selected. So we can move them around separately. And we can duplicate them separately. If I hold Control down, get an identical copy. With these two, we press space to start a new one. So let's go back to accumulate, and I'll do a straight line. Okay, I want to stop there, so I'm going to press space to do another one. And I'm going to press enter to stop drawing completely. These are, because we're on accumulate, they are together. They move around together. I'm going to do the exact same again, but this time in separate mode. And I'm going to do a curvy line. Press space to start a new one. And enter to get out of there. And we're in separate mode, so they are separate. You can also change from mode as you're going along, between separate and accumulate. So I'm going to select everything. I'm going to try to. And delete it. And I'm going to add a straight line. And I start in accumulate. So pressing spacebar, doing another one. You can see the selection box is going all the way around both of those. Spacebar and spacebar. Now I can change into separate mode. Spacebar and enter to completely stop. Now these three were done in accumulate mode, so they should be together. And these two were done when we changed to separate mode, so they're separate. If we wanted to duplicate these ones that are all together, we hold Control down, move the mouse, and we get a duplicate copy. And I delete that. If we wanted a duplicate of both of these, we could select them both, and then we get a duplicate of both of them. They'll still be separate objects. Or if we had a panel involved, and we put all these objects in the panel, we could duplicate all of them within the panel by just duplicating the panel.